Welcome to Trading Forex Store. Today, we're covering the latest developments in the currency markets, following the release of UK inflation data and recent moves in the US dollar. The pound sterling recently hit a fresh three-year high against the US dollar, reaching around 1.3470 earlier in the European trading session. However, it gave up some of those gains after UK Chancellor Rachel Reeves expressed disappointment over hotter than expected inflation figures for April. The UK's Consumer Price Index showed headline inflation rising to 3.5% year on year, above estimates and the previous month's 2.6%, marking the highest level since November 2023. Core inflation, which excludes volatile items like food and energy, also accelerated to 3.8%, exceeding expectations. A significant driver of this inflation rise was the increase in prices for housing, transportation, and leisure services. This surge is likely to push the Bank of England away from its earlier plans for gradual monetary easing, as officials are increasingly concerned about inflation pressures, especially in the services sector, which climbed to 5.4% from 4.7%. The bank's next policy meeting in June could see a shift in tone, moving away from supporting expansionary policies. Meanwhile, the US dollar is facing downward pressure, influenced by Moody's recent downgrade of the US credit rating from AAA to AA1. This downgrade reflects growing fiscal challenges and a rising debt burden for the US government, which is further complicated by a proposed tax bill expected to add trillions to the debt. Political disagreements in Washington have also cast doubt on the bill's passage, contributing to the dollar's weakness. The US dollar index recently dropped to its lowest level in 2 weeks, near 99.45. Technically, the pound remains bullish overall, holding above key moving averages and maintaining support near 1.3400. If momentum continues, the next resistance level to watch is around 1.3750. Stay tuned for more updates on global markets, and don't forget to subscribe